Hello YouTube. I finally had the opportunity to upgrade the tires on the 2024 Mazda CX-30. The factory tire is the Bridgestone Turanza EL440, size of 215, 55, 18. I have upgraded to the Yokohama Bluearth van all-season tire in size of 205, 75, 16. It does say it is a 10-ply rated tire. It does not carry the LT in front of the 205. I'm not sure what the difference is. I got this as a slightly more aggressive tread pattern, just because of the road conditions in the winter. And it is an all-wheel drive car with about, I think it's 8.9 inches of ground clearance, so I wanted a tire to kind of match that for the car. The Bluearth van tire RY61 is about 0.8 inches taller than the stock tire that comes with the Mazda. In order to accommodate the different size tire, I had to buy a different size wheel. I've chosen the RTX Envy, which is also 16 inches in diameter by 6.5 inches wide. So it matches up fairly well with the Bluearth van tire, which I believe it said the maximum rim width was 6.5 inches. We can go up front and get a better view of the difference in tread. Unfortunately, it is kind of covered in snow, but as you can see, these have a lot more siping, and I believe will perform a lot better than the factory tires. If you want to stick with the factory tire, Yokohama also offers a CV4S in the factory size. It is about just over $200 at discount tire. The RTX Envy was about 141, I believe, and the Bluearth van tire was 132. So for not much more money, you get a whole set of new wheels and tires, and in the future the replacement tires should be more affordable. If you look at the front clearance here, I had them test fit the front because usually the front is a tighter fit for the brake caliper. That one fits really well. The back, however, is much closer. I did not really expect that. I would estimate it to be probably maybe a 1/4 inch. It's pretty tight fit at the tightest spot, which is right where the caliper bolt is, right there. So far, the big difference I've noticed between the tires is that the speed is registering, the actual speed is higher than it is registering on a speedometer. So with the factory stock tire at 80 miles an hour, it actually registered at 81 using a GPS speedometer app on my phone, which I presume to be somewhat accurate. The Bluearth tire shows 82, so there's not a huge difference. Mainly it's just notable that the factory tire was reading higher than the speedometer. It usually seems like it's the other way, or it's a couple of miles per hour under what is displayed on the speedometer. Otherwise, handling wise, I haven't really noticed any drastic difference on dry pavement. I think these should be a lot better of a snow handling tire, and I will find out as winter progresses. I hope you have found this information useful, and thank you for watching.